Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween shirts for women's available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5, we have Halloween shirts for women's. This simple white pumpkin print skeleton print round neck short sleeves classic shirt, simple but energetic, show your charm. It is polyester breathable and lightweight fabric, very soft and comfortable. At number 4 we have Star Wars Halloween shirts for women's. This machine wash cold comes with light colors, dry low heat. At number 3 we have Day Bay Halloween women's t-shirt. It is a natural fiber fabric. It is comfortable, cool and breathable, and has good elasticity and abrasion resistance. At number 2 we have Chic Halloween t-shirt. This funny bleached shirt is made of cotton blend. The combination of cotton and polyester makes this top very soft, stretchy and comfortable. At number 1 we have BNY Hoosh Halloween t-shirt. This Halloween Friends shirt is made of cotton blend to make you feel comfy and soft in fall and winter. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween shirts for women's for your need.